Ba, wala lang niya lolo niyo. Good morning everyone! Welcome back to another vlogmas! So ito na po yung magbibiyahe na kami papuntang Canada. So nakabihis na ako. Lalagay ko na lang yung top ko na parang sweater and then magko-coat. Yung buhok ko bababa ko na lang yan. But yeah, ayusin ko lang to. Ilak ko lang po aming luggage. Sana hindi to excess. Nilagay ko kasi dito yung bigat naman kasi ng backpack ko na. Hindi ko na kaya. Wait lang ba ningning ko, okay? Mommy will just weigh this kasi ang dami kong dinagdag. 46.96 pounds. Okay na kaya? Okay lang kaya to? Yung malaki. Hindi ka na anak ko, magbihis na. Nandito na yung damit mo. Easy baby. Ay, buti na lang. Wala tayong aberya. Today, wala tayong excess baggage. Wala tayong Pero yun nga lang, medyo natagalan ako dun dati kasi parang bago pa lang ata yung babae na nag-check dun sa luggage na ni Mishi. Daddy, kain tayo. Roast beef and Swiss cheese. $10.99. Kaya tinawag ka para iswab yung kamay mo. Kasi gusto niya na mag-additional test pa dun sa mga bote. Sabi niya. Tapos, may kasama ka bang iba? Sabi ng lalaki. Tinawag niya yung lalaki. I have my husband with me. Sabi ko. Tapos yun, tawagin daw para isaswab din yung kamay mo. Ang sarap. Walang kagat, tinapay. At lettuce. Daddy, subuan kita.
Ikaw.
Hindi, ikaw anak ko, you have your milk here. Wala dyan si mama. Say hi. Hi. Mama. Bakit? Excited. Careful. Oh, careful. Mama. Mama. Mishi! Mishi, be! Wala, nilalamig na. Ang lamig naman kasi. Ang lamig naman dito. Umuusok pa to nila, bridge nila. Mishi, be! Ayaw. Mishi, bang, bang. Nakaboard na po pa. May Mishi, bang. With Brownie. Brownie, Brownie. Let's go. Takpin na kasi belt. Malamig naman siguro.
Christmas tree lights twinkle bright. Laughter fills the silent night. It's the joy this season brings. Fills your heart and makes you sing. Build a frosty if there's snow. Cookies, one for you and one for me. Jingle bells and children play. Rudolph maidens and
we made it. Minneapolis na kami. Change nappy. Ikaw mo nga ng bagay. Sit down. I know it's cold. Sorry. Diba hindi naman ako siya lumalagay.
Para sa dito, nakapasig sila natin ang kotse.
Information booth near the entrance to Concourse E to identify the plane. Your phone cell phone.
Yay!
Nakaluwag-luwag na ang dado mo. Nakaluwag-luwag na yung bulsa ng dado. You can play here, oh. You can play here. Sana nagdala tayo ng kumot, tapos kumutan natin yung pwede niya.
Alam ko na tayo yung sipag.
Anong pala?
Safety, the captain has left the seatbelt sign on. The seatbelt fastened anytime you're seated. We'd like to remind you that smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes and vaporizers, is prohibited at all times. For your convenience, washrooms are located at the front and the back.
Won't wait till next year to try and feel the distance we've had with decorations in my bag. Taking it slow, won't work in time. It's only so long for Christmas lights. It can't be a song you sing sometimes. I need you to sing it for your whole life. So let me be your family this.
Welcome to Canada. Somebody.
Been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas. Give to you myself this year. I promise I'm yours. This year you've left me wondering just how you're feeling, and I want you to know my doubts about his realize.
Let's go. Let's go, Mishi. Let's go, Mishi. Mama.
Kaya tayo kanot, hindi ka natin mo ni Papa yung pag...
Don't be a stranger, be my day. Without you, this ain't a holiday. Let me be your family. Let this be the season that you've been waiting for. Let me be your family this Christmas.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball.
Ay, wow! Magpapaumpa. Gusto niya. Gusto na pa yung tinapad kanya na kinipapang mang. Siya yung gusto mag... She scratched again. Oy, oy, oy. Wow, alalab niya lolo niya.
Ay! Tapi kan tinapulog ba yun kung kunan siguro.
Alalab lolo. Lalab lolo.
Tak jar por tinapulog pinansinan.
Ate mo, papansin mo, Jeggy. Karamutan nyo lang data, madagdagan natin karamo na data.
Nalapas na kaputan mo.
Pagkaputan, yeah. You don't like go to mama na? Lolo only? Ay sus, ay sus.
I will make you love me more than them.
Wow, wow, you got a Mardi shirt? Yeah. Where did you get that? Loud and Proud. Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was a Loud and Proud Timo.
I got this from my mom.
Wow. I just see that from the vloggers.
Hey! Hey! But you know what is Timu though? You know what is Timu though?
Welcome to the basement! Oh, see, I told you she's gonna dance. Hop, hop, hop and stop. Ang ganda naman ng basement nila, Tito. Ay, sus. May play area ka na. Dito ka na lang mag-play. Huwag na dun sa taas. Kasi naman sila, Chopper. Na ano ka? Wow. Ano yung play mo? Tissue? Again, 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 again. 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 The camera didn't see you. Again.
Pika, 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 pika. Sing, sing, sing.
Yeah.
Pika na, pika, pika. Pika, pika.
Wow.
Si ate is there.
Ate is back.
Show ate how to do peekaboo.
Peekaboo, like this.
No,
Peekaboo.
no, 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 not Ate's phone, not Ate's phone.
Yung ano nga tissue sa kamay niya, tananing tanggalin mo.
Tatay.
Tatay goes crazy.
Kapso tama sa TV ma?
My gosh, she's just like Chopper.
Yeah.
My God,
Because
Tita,
mama
we're
let her,
raising Chopper.
because mama let her, play
Mama,
with the
just because
toilet
she's-
paper.
Because she's a baby does not mean na she's gonna act like Chopper.
She likes it so much.
No, do not touch me with your katay. Do not touch me with your katay.
Show ate peekaboo. Pika. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Cover your eyes.
You're walking? You're walking? You're walking the ate?
Oh, let's go upstairs.
Let's go see Tita Mia.
Ay,
No, kasi madulas
ay,
ka
oo
dyan.
nga. Tita. Tita is here. Tita is here.
Let's go to Tita.
Tita.
Let's go to Tita.
Ay, tita. Ay, tita. Hello. Hello. Kumusta? Tulog na yung asawa ko. Ay, ano mo pala yan?
Palakpak sis.
Hello po, Tito. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, ay. Show them how to do peekaboo. She just learned it tonight. Peekaboo.
Miss here. Why is Miss Rachel here?
Because she was playing there.
Yeah. And Chopper already played with Brownie. Yung arte-arte naman, arte-arte.
Hello.
Very happy. Very, very happy. Come here. Come here. Wala na. Ayaw mo na kay mami?
Dugong kay ayaw na.
Excuse me.
Ate will
Baka mamaya pag tumawag si daddy mo, pag uwi niya, hindi mo napapansinin. Iiyak na daddy. Kabilyo kang gaminan. Tamat na.
Let me give you a Christmas